Hello, everyone, and welcome to Philly Crypto Trading Plus. Are you confused by all this price volatility? Are you wondering where prices will be next? Well, look no further. You're definitely in the right place. I'm here to solve these problems for you by providing clear, concise, and competent technical analysis. In today's tutorial, we'll be covering Binance Coin. I don't think a lot of people do that, but we will today. Specifically, we're going to talk about the Fibonacci extensions, symmetrical triangle, supports resistances in the 20 SMA, and then on the 4-hour timer, we're actually going to talk about how history is repeating itself, which I always talk about. This will be very important. So, before we get into that, please be sure to stick around to the end because I will give you my next price target and where I think we're going next, because I think that's most important, right? Now, before we get into the video, please be sure to smash the like button because it lets YouTube know that you're enjoying the content and it makes a huge difference to me. Also, I'm always trying to improve my videos and give you the best content I can. So please let me know about your like in the comment down below, what you like, and I'll be sure to do more of it. Okay? Now, with that in mind, let's get to today's lesson. We're looking at a Fibonacci extension. I know we've talked about Fibonacci retracement before because of the pullbacks, but hey, we're looking at something different here, and that's why I just had to tell you guys. Okay. Strong move and a pullback. Okay. Look at this symmetrical triangle that is forming, guys. It's a daily time frame, by the way. So we're getting 1, 2, 3 times touch, depending on what you want to call a touch, 1, 2, 3, 4. But look, we're getting ready to break out, guys. We're getting ready to break out. Now, the pinnacle of this triangle happens to be around the 0.236 fib extension, 260, right? Which is, we could come back there and, in this area, whatever, before we move up, right? Because that's what we're thinking right now. And I think I'm getting ahead of myself, so I don't want to do that. So I just wanted to point out the Fibonacci extensions first. I wanted to talk about the symmetrical triangle that was forming, right? But the other thing I'm going to show you is RSI, 58, 59. See this nice flattening, guys? And I've talked before in my other videos. If you don't know about it, go back and listen. There's consistency and there's a method to my madness. I swear to God. Now, look here. Touch it. So flattening. So here we are flattening above 50, right? Above 50 meaning rising price. When we're above 50, we're usually rising. Below 50, usually declining. But that's not the case here. That's why I'm here and so happy to tell you about this one, guys, because a lot of people aren't talking about it. So, flattening, rising, getting stronger. Symmetrical triangle says the same thing. So, MACD, look at that. Flattening, same thing, consistent. All right. Doesn't take a rocket scientist for that one. Now, 4-hour time frame. I want to show this. It's very important, guys. Actually, before I get into that, one more thing. The 20 SMA. So we came down here. It's right. It took a while. That's what this big rise was about here, guys. When we have these big rises like that, we have to let our averages catch up, right? So you can see we caught up, right? But now we flattened and look what happened now. So guess what? That's right. That's right. Okay. Back to the 4-hour time frame. Having very nice symmetrical triangle or wedge forming, right? Now, I want you to notice the bottoms here, right? From this move, 1, 2, and then up, right? Higher lows, right? And then, so you can take a trend line here, here, and then we're back to the top of that, right? Now, but wait a second. I think this might have happened before. Oh, that's right, it did. Guys, the purpose of the channel is education, right? And I'm being sarcastic because I want to, because look, I'm here to help you guys. Look, tell me how identical. I mean, really, you got to be dumb as a stump to not understand the similarity between those two right there, right? So, what the point is, you see that? You see this, right? You see the short line, right? Where the trend, short-term trades, and then up and out, right? Here we go again. Coming down. Flattening out. Shorter term, this one. And then what? Up and out. So guys, I hope someone's paying attention, because this is a great opportunity to make some quick money. Again, people forget my background is in trading. I've been doing this over 36 years. Okay, I'm not being sarcastic. I'm trying to say to you guys, great opportunity here. So, when we see these patterns form, I've said it before, parabolic move next, right? So here we have history, predictability, everything I say all the time, repeating itself. So there's no reason why we should not have a parabolic move. Now, I said that before with other coins, but like Litecoin, for example. Well, we had a huge sell-off, big scare in the news on Monday. That basically negated it. However, came back to the top of the triangle, and we're mowing forward again. So, point is, sometimes things happen to change the inevitable, right? But the inevitable is, in fact, this parabolic move. So, no matter how you slice it, get a pullback, some news, scare, whatever. Right there, guys. That's what you need to understand. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Right? Guys, I don't know how else to tell you this. So, my purpose for this was to give you guys a great opportunity for something going on now before it happens to make some quick money. Okay? Whether it's now, 2 days from now, a week from now, I always tell you guys, I can tell you what's going to happen. I cannot tell you how or when it's going to occur. That's why each day is a chapter to the story, and that's why we watch. But what I can tell you is history repeats itself. We've already seen it here, what we're looking at right now. So with that in mind, guys, I hope you got the message. Now, in this video, this is the part where I turn it over to you guys, and I want to know what's the most important or most valuable lesson thing that you've learned from today's video. Let me know in the comments below. I'd certainly appreciate it. And please make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Also, the more subscribers that we get, the better and more content I can continue to make. So please like, share, and subscribe. Now, if you want to learn more, please be sure to watch this next video.